United Nations is saying this, a substantial reduction of impacts would only be possible with a substantial worldwide diet change away from the animal products. So United Nations is vouching for more and more kind of change going away from the practice of eating animals. Meat sector has the highest global warming potential, size of the sector is huge, and the meat industry is actually witnessing a positive growth. So instead of actually decreasing the consumption of meat products, we are on a path of destruction by having more and more meat consumption as the years go by. And so if we sum up, then we see that large number of diseases happen because of meat. There is a danger of superbugs, but also cancer, obesity, kidney diseases, osteoporosis, etc., etc. Large forest clearance is happening because of this sector. Enormous land erosion is happening because of this. There is serious loss of biodiversity because of this. There is a large chemical production of insecticides, fertilizers, etc., to grow the feed. And then there is deterioration of water quality. There is enormous amount of water footprint of the meat, and also enormous amount of carbon footprint of the meat. So if you sum all this, the footprint is too large in terms of environmental damage. It's too large for the meat sector, and particularly the beef, the cow standing on the top. So if you wish to have sustainable kind of dietary choices, you will have to eliminate at least beef to begin with, but actually all meat in the times to come. And it's a question of extinction actually, because if you don't do this shortly, you are actually basically putting all life forms in the real risk of getting kind of extinct. So we are actually inviting our extinction through our food. This is what is the situation. And therefore, beef in particular, eating this is a crime actually. It's not a fashionable thing to be eating meat, not fashionable anymore in fact. And not just the fashion, in terms of necessity, the need, it has to be discarded. It's an environmental luxury actually. And you are actually, when you are consuming meat or you are particularly consuming beef, you are playing with the health of the entire planet in the process actually. And therefore, you are driving the entire planet to annihilation and kind of extinction of all life forms. So it's a kind of a crime in that sense.